สวัสดีค่ะเพื่อนๆวันนี้ยุจะพามาทำเมนูอาหารไทยแซ่บๆนะคะวันนี้จะเป็นส้มตำค่ะพาทำส้มตำไทยนะคะ
Okay, so I'm going to show you the ingredients that we have already prepared. We'll start off with the main ingredient, which is the papaya. This is raw green papaya, and we also have shredded some carrots. Just wanted to let you know that if you do not have papaya, you could use any fruit. You could use apple, you could use cucumbers, you could use string beans, you could use whatever you desire to eat. We've shredded cabbage for some garnish. We've got some tomatoes, some lime juice, fish sauce. This is some palm sugar, which I'll show you what it looks like. This she has ground up. We have some string beans, some garlic, some chili. The almonds there are for garnish. Usually in this dish we use peanuts, but our nanny, our chef nanny, is allergic to peanuts, so we're going to use almonds as an alternate. We also have tamarind, which she has ground it up and added some water to. It's basically you make a tamarind paste. And then we have some dried shrimp, which she has soaked up in some hot water for about an hour. So let me just show you the palm sugar. This is what it looks like, and this is what the dried shrimp packet looks like. See? And with regards to the ingredients here, it all depends on what flavor you're looking for. So for example, you like really sour, you can add more lime. You like it salty, you could add more fish sauce. You like it spicy, you can add more chilies. So it really all depends on your taste buds. But yeah, we're gonna show you how to make this. And as you can see, we have the tiniest crook. It's a baby crook, but this is what we have in our kitchen, and we're gonna make sure that we make the best som tam with this tiny crook. Okay, so let's get started. So she's gonna pound some garlic. There you go, just pounding some garlic. Let me show you how it looks. Right, she's going to add some red chilies.
1,
2,
3,
3.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, so we put 6 red chilies, and just to let you know, we have a whole papaya and some carrots. So 6 chilies for a whole papaya. So estimate maybe if you're doing half a papaya, you can use 3 chilies. We like it medium spicy, so there you go. If you want spicier than that, go for 9. If you want less spicy, just add 1 or 2. All up to your taste buds. Pounding away. Our chef nanny. Yu is actually a nanny by profession, but she loves to cook. It's her passion. And we are the lucky ones who get to enjoy her yummy food. So she's wearing gloves because she's a nanny and she doesn't want the chilies to, be on her hands when she's touching the baby. So she's very careful and clean and hygienic. Okay, so we're putting the chilies and the garlic into this stainless steel bowl, which in Thailand, if you had a big crook, you can just make it all in the big crook. But we have a tiny crook, so we're improvising. All right, next.
เราใส่น้ำปลา
Okay, we're gonna start with fish sauce. So she's gonna show. That's 1 big spoon, 2, 3,
and
4 big serving spoons. This is for 1 whole papaya. There you go. We're making the sauce paste for the som tam. So this is the sugar. We used 4 palm sugars. So basically almost 2 heaping big spoons of palm sugar. and she's just mixing it up. What she did was she took these palm sugar and she ground it up in the crock. So she's just stirring it up, and now she's gonna add some tamarind. That's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. And let's look how much lime.
มะนาว
Manao.
น้ำมะนาว
1,
ค่ะ
2,
โอเคใส่3 ช้อนเหมือนกันค่ะ
start with 3 chon, 3 spoons, and then we will taste and see if we want to adjust to our taste buds. So she's just mixing it up, making sure the sugar is dissolved and everything's nicely incorporated. This is your favorite dish, right?
yes
Me too.
ชอบมากค่ะส้มต
Candy ก็ชอบมากส้มตำเผ็ดๆ My mouth is already watering. So while she stirs this, we're just gonna wait and look at. She's ready. She's ready. Sorry. We're just gonna put the tomatoes. So these are cherry tomatoes, and you just slice them in half. Just stir them in. What's next? So this is what it looks like once the sauce, the paste for the, well, I'm gonna call it the sauce or the paste for the som tam is ready. You're gonna let me taste whether this is what I like. It's perfect. It's salty. It's sweet, it's tangy, and it's spicy. Okay, so next she's gonna take some of the string beans and she is going to pound them a little bit. So you can watch her pounding the string beans. But just basically this sauce, this juicy paste, or I'm gonna call it sauce, is gonna go into the som tam bowl. We're just gonna mix it up, stir it in. So she's pounding the string beans. Not completely mush, just a little bit. As you can see here, it's just kind of broken up a little bit. And that's ready.
ำเดี๋ยวนะ
So she just added the string beans into that mix again, and she's gonna add some more. So really up to you how much you wanna add, okay? She's doing a second heaping of it. So she's got all the string beans in that mixture now. And since we have a lot of papaya, we probably are going to add some of the other condiments as well. But before that, let's put in this yummy, yummy dried
โอเค
shrimp.
เราจะใส่กุ้ง
Rehydrated dried shrimp because we soaked it in water. If you ask me, I could just eat this like a yum tua. Hey, yum tua.
ฝักยาวใส่
Pok
กุ้งแห้
yao
ง
sai kung hang. You could eat it like that too if you cannot find papaya, right? You
ค่ะใช่
กินเป็นถั่วผักยาวยำกับ
ค่ะได้ได้เหมือนกันค่ะ
โอเค
หน้าตาเป็นแบบนี้ค่ะ
ดูนะ สวยมากเลยนะน่ากินเนอะอร่อยอร่อยโอเค ต่อไป so again we tasted we decided we needed a little bit more tamarind a little bit more manao lemon and should we add some more fish sauce okay
โอเคเราใส่เพิ่ม
we're
นะ
gonna get
คะ
some fish sauce
เราใส่เพิ่มได้เพราะว่าเราทำมะละกอเยอะไปวันนี้
ใช่
ลูกใหญ่ๆเลย
ใช่จะได้คุณแคนดี้ได้กิน
ค่ะ
ส้มตำเยอะๆเนาะโอเค like I
ใจ
said
เสนอ
น้ำปลาทิพรส
ค่ะ
อีกครั้งหนึ่ง
ครั้งนี้
โอเคทิพรสน่าอร่อยมากค่ะเค็มๆ like I said earlier you know it all depends on your taste buds so we tasted the sauce and we decided we needed more and also depending on how much papaya and carrots you're using make sure that you have enough to make this really yummy and incorporate it into the dish. All right, so are we gonna mix it now? What are we gonna do next? So now we're gonna incorporate the papaya into that mixture that we just made, okay? That yummy mixture. Or we're gonna put the sauce into the papaya bowl. Either way. Just stirring it in. So again, this could be done in a crock, but we're in America. We're in a San Francisco kitchen. ใช่ไหม
เราต้องคลุกใส่กะละมังแบบนี้เอาค่ะ
แต่ว่าอยากกินส้มตำก็ต้องทำได้เนาะ
ก็อร่อย
อร่อยอยู่แล้ว มีครกไม่มีครกเราก็ได้กินส้มตำพี่ยูเขาหาวิธีทำให้ใช่ไหม
ค่ะ
ก็คลุกเอาใน stainless steel bowl just stir it into the using the stainless steel bowl and a fork and spoon and just stir it all in. Incorporate the juicy mixture that you just made. See how yummy it's looking. This salad is so delicious. It's crunchy, it's spicy, it's salty, it's sweet. It's got all the flavors. It's tangy. It's very refreshing. And it's healthy. It's so healthy. Okay. Looks perfect ค่ะยุน่ากินมากเลยอุ๊ย
เดี๋ยวจะให้ชิมแล้วนะคะ
ค่ะ พร้อมค่ะ
พร้อมชิม
พร้อมจะชิม อ่ะคุณแคนดี้ชิมนะ
ค่ะให้คุณแคนดี้ชิมก่อน
อร่อยมากเลย แซ่บ
เลยนะคะ
จัดใส่จานเลย so ยูเขาจะจัดใส่จานนะคะ she's gonna plate this I just wanted to let everybody know that you can eat som tam with sticky rice or you could eat som tam with jasmine rice you could eat som tam with khanom jeen or you could just eat it plain as a snack so now she's garnishing she put some cabbage she's gonna put some som tam yum som tam yum yummy som tam มาม่าหิวแล้ว delicious
ใส่กุ้งเยอะมากเราทำกินเองเราใส่เยอะๆเลยค่ะ
กุ้งแห้งที่อร่อยที่สุด น่ากินไหมคะ looks
แล้วก็
good
ต่อ
no
ไปเราเป็นส้มตำไทยอินเตอร์ค่ะ เราใส่อัลมอนด์ เราไม่มีถั่วลิสง
this is western
You
ส้มตำไทย hey you western ส้มตำไทย America ส้มตำไทย
โอเคเราแล้วแต่ชอบเลยค่ะ ใส่เยอะๆเลย
โอ้น่ากินมากเลยค่ะ
เสร็จแล้วค่ะ
อู้หู
ขอบคุณนะคะ
Yummy
ขอบคุณนะคะที่
ติดตาม
ค่ะ มีอะไรติดชมมาได้ค่ะ
ค่ะ
ภูมิใจ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
นำเสนอส้มตำไทยค่ะ
thank you ค่ะคุณยุค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ